The striploin originates from the lower back region of the hindquarter and is considered to be one of the middle meats. The main muscle of the striploin is longissimus dorsi and has a weight range of 5.5 to 6.5 kilograms or 12 to 14 pounds. The striploin is ideally suited for either roasting whole, in part, or portioned for grilling steaks. We will demonstrate the traditional methods, along with new methods which will allow for product differentiation and address a number of challenges that will be reviewed. In order to prepare the striploin for staking and roasting, it is recommended that you remove the back strap. This connective tissue will not soften during the cooking process. Be aware of the channel fat located near the sirloin end. You may choose to trim each steak individually. On the underside, trim any connective tissue, cartilage, or loose ends. Carefully trim along the length of the striploin. Trim the exterior fat to the desired thickness. We will be using 1/4 inch as our specification. Cutting striploin grilling steaks traditionally provides very little opportunity to offer variety. Variety could only have been achieved through varying thickness. This process simply offers a variety in both size and price point in an attempt to meet the needs of the consumer. In order to offer a specific weight range, we are forced to work strictly with fluctuating thicknesses. However, the thinner the steak, the less flexibility one has with managing cooking doneness, which will directly affect the flavorful and juicy experience for our consumers. Cattle weights in North America on average have increased by approximately 16% over the past 20 years. In order to create products that will meet consumer needs, as well as offer retail merchandising options that will address portion sizes, cooking methods, and margin opportunities. As previously demonstrated, with the back strap and tail removed, split the striploin lengthwise, slightly off-center, and push through the jet net system. Slice the medallions into desired thicknesses, keeping in mind variety and price points. Depending on inventory levels and product throughput, you may elect to leave a portion for a quick roast no more than 500 grams or 1 pound, which is intended to be cooked within 1 hour. Once again, variety is key. Processing larger portions will provide you options to deliver on consumer needs. The larger the portion, the larger the medallion.